guests, parents, and of course, my fellow graduates, or should I say, my fellow alumni batch. Graduate na rin mo. Sure na. So I will be frank with you all. I crammed what I wanted to say in my farewell speech because daghan John. And I wanted it to have a sentimental value as your batch leader and also kay gi-invite kong pakaon kahapon. Shout out to Jen Marie, salamat Jen. To Jen Rep Pagulog, thank you for creating this efficient seating arrangement. Ni Cyrus J. Alvarez, belated happy birthday. O ni seatmate, Melvin Taher, happy birthday. Yeah, partida, what you siya practice, but rest assured, just like every speech I personally write, it comes from the bottom of my heart. I don't really like going into detail about my personal life in public, especially when it is about something negative. So let me just say that this school year came with more bad times than it did good times. Being given the countless opportunities as your chancellor was amazing. But, of course, to be able to do all of that, I had to sacrifice time. And I lost some of it for my studies and my personal life. And because of that, gipangutana ko ni Papa. Tugads tinuod, gamahay ka? So I pondered, gamahay ka? Bitaw, I actually already had an answer before he could finish asking. The answer is no. Did showbiz, guys? No, I do not regret it. Sa akong welcome address, our commencement exercises, I mentioned there that it all started with a dream and inspiration 6 years ago. And as Taylor Swift once said, when you spend so much time daydreaming about things like that, when it actually happens, you don't ever complain about it. Hearing her say that, it became my mindset throughout this journey. So what if dagan nakadyo sainan? So what kung kailangan niyo mo iswallow imong pride? So what kung sakit na imong tingilo imong likod? So what if nakasbertehan mo niya busy ka og tubag sa GC o tiwas sa imong speech? It was my driving force when I thought about my 13-year-old self, and I've always said to myself, every time it was too much to handle, you wanted it, here it is, don't ever complain about it. I would also like to thank God and Mama Mary Sisimala for answering my prayers as I still made it, graduating as your class salutatorian. So ladies and gentlemen, what I want you to take away from this speech are 3 things. Number 1, develop a sense of commitment, dedication, and devotion. If you have a dream right now, or when the time comes that you realize what it is you want to do with your life, there will be a possibility that when you achieve that dream, you will still face obstacles. So if you really want something, commit to it, dedicate and devote yourself to it, and don't ever forget to pray about it. Number 2, it is okay to choose what protects your peace. When you think of the popular catchphrase, go big or go home, think about it this way. Both choices are not bad, not so bad at all. There is nothing wrong with wanting to rule the world, and there is nothing wrong with wanting to live in it. But of course, there are ways where going big and going home meet in the middle. Which leads me to number 3. Choose your right kind of people. Choose the ones who will be there for you in the times you go big, have multiple wins and losses, and in the times you go home, as they can lend you a shoulder to lean on, and they will be there for you always, in all ways. In this segment of my speech, I would like to thank God above all else, my guardian angels, and of course to the people in this earth who are with me in this journey. To my family, my to my ICT buddies, and of course, most especially to my best friends and close friends. And to these people, Renzo, Samantha, Dayan, and especially to Alexa, Mike, and Osiris, who know me best and who I grew up with. Kamo jud ang ama daganan. When I am outraged, anxious, and disheartened, you are always in the front lines. Even when it is hard for me to reveal things personally to other people, I hope you know how grateful I am na gihapag mas Ginoo nako na bisan unsa pay mahitabo sa akong mga kinabuhi, makadagan ko ninyo kamunay para ihilak tanang kasakit o ikatawa tanan para makalimtan. You are my definition of true thick and thin, and I hope that even if we will be inevitably distanced from each other, we will remain lifelong friends. And to dear CBIF Batch 2023 to 2024, thank you for the reassurance and heartfelt messages that I did great in my term. I am so proud of all of us, and it has been an honor to serve all of you. May you be blessed with love and safety as you reach your dreams and navigate life for what you long for. Laugh when you are happy, cry when you are sad. From here on out, peace on your life. Sincerely, Althea Nicola